change our way of thinking. Now is the time for us to combine our efforts as a nation. And to achieve this most important objective, we have to rise above our differences. Corruption, tribalism, and nepotism will now be a thing of past. Jobs and contracts will henceforth be awarded on merits and not on who is who basis or godfatherism. In the world of today, ignorance deprives one's dignity. My government plans to restore this dignity through ensuring that every child has access to free basic, primary and secondary education. Because our country is far from being industrialized, land is therefore an important resource of income. My administration therefore plans to give agriculture a first priority. Unemployment has been the biggest enemy in our society. My administration has planned to create at least 500,000 jobs every year. Public land grabbers, contract inflators, are those who are willing collaborators by virtue of their positions in government will be dealt with sternly by law. Kenya is a sovereign state, and when we will strive to maintain good relationship with other nations of the world, we will not hesitate to mobilize our forces to protect our citizens from perceived threats, both internal or external. Lastly, it is good to be ambitious, but too much ambition brings corruption, treason, and unpatriotic tendencies in us. Rather, our ambition should be to move our country forward. Merit should come first. Mediocrity must be a practice of the past. Let us all strive to be the best in all what we do for the benefit of our country. From henceforth, we will now be Kenyans first before our tribes. If we all can abide by these new ideologies and philosophies, I, as the newly elected president, promise to take this